Hey everybody, today we're just going to do a quick comparison of two Belle Tress styles that are very similar, yet with some distinct differences. We're going to compare the brand new Modena in the City collection to the Dalgona 16 in the Cafe collection. Remember, you can find these styles at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video and expand the description box, I'll attach a direct product link to both of these styles. You can click on the link, it'll take you out to the site. You can see all of the pricing, colors, and discounts available on this style. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions by emailing support@wigstudio1.com. So this is the newest, latest and greatest in the City collection. By Belle Tress. Modena is the name of this one, in the color beige, linen blonde. And we're going to compare it to this gorgeous, fun rose gold on the original Dalgona 16. So they're very similar in that they're both 16 inches. The layering is different and the cap is different. So on the Modena style, you're going to see these layers start at about 6 inches all the way down to 12. So the layering is a little bit different. I also find that same brushed out, texturized, shadowed wave on both of these styles, but the layering is really going to make it a little bit different. So I feel like there's more volume and body in the Modena compared to the Dalgona, but I have seen variance in that as well. So you're going to see possibly a little bit of a lower profile here on the Dalgona. We're going to do a side-by-side here in a minute, and that always tells the story, doesn't it? But the big difference is this cap. So on this Modena, and I have it here in Milkshake Blonde, let's take a look real quick. If you've caught my review of this style, you'll know that this is an extended lace front right back into the ear tab and a center monofilament part. Okay, a nice wide parting space, lots of parting options, a closed ear tab, an extended felted nape with Velcro style adjusters. So remember that. That's a little different than the original Dalgona 16 in the Cafe collection. And so there you see a temple to temple, not extended lace front, and left monofilament side part, and that is way to the left on Dalgona. So it stops abruptly at the temple. And then you have a closed ear tab, and then in the back you have pull strap type adjusters. Oh wow, I love the Velcro adjusters on the new City collection. It gives me such a better fit for my petite average circumference. So let's do a side-by-side with both of these, and so you can spot the similarities and differences. So if you like Dalgona, you might really love the Modena in the new City collection.